and it should proceed to cut. There it is. It's running, y'all. And as you can see, it's making the little circles for the rhinestone design. I'll let that go ahead and cut out. And on to the next step. Okay, here we go, folks. I got the money bags cut out, the white part. Of course, I got it upside down or backwards right now because, you know, some fine pieces down here, you know, that I want to basically keep on the backing. On to the next step. Should have did a screen recording of this, but it's alright. I'm just recording it with my camera, so that way switch to the cutter. Cutting out the money outline right now. I think I might have cut it too deep and too fast. You see that right there? But I might be able to fix that though. Unless that's the piece that came out. Wait for it to cut out. Let's see what's going on. Here you can say is a rough mock-up of what I got so far for the Monopoly shirt. I still need to weed out just a little bit, you know, of that white, you know. I still got them both on the backing sheet, on the transfer sheet. As you can see, I got another Monopoly down here. The red outline that corresponds to that. So, not quite sure how I want to do it yet, whether I want to double it up, whether I want to take out the white altogether. That's why I haven't pressed it yet. But yeah, this is where I'm at so far. Also, like, this was like 20-inch vinyl, the red soft deco film. So instead of, you know, cutting it off right here, I decided to, you know, use the rest of the space that I had to just, you know, I can make a whole nother shirt with this if I want to, you know. So that's a cutting tip for y'all, you know. Instead of just cutting out what you necessarily have to, add a little piece, you know what I mean? So that way you don't have so many strips in your rhinestone bucket. I mean, in your transfer sheet bucket, you know what I mean? Your scrap bucket. Go ahead and cut out, you know, that 2, 3, 4 inches that you may waste. Go ahead and cut that out and place something else in there. Put this on the back of the shirt, you know what I'm saying? Put it on the sleeve. Put it down here in the corner. The possibilities are endless. Alright. Also have my money bags here. You know, using the citrine rhinestones.